Dividing by one-digit divisor, Part A. First, what is division? So let's say we have 6 toys and 3 babies, and we want to distribute these 6 toys among these 3 babies, but with fairness, like each one of them must have the same number of toys. So it's 6 divided 3. 6 toys will be divided among 3 babies. So each one will get 2. So the result is 2. Now let's say we have 10 toys and we want to distribute them among 2 babies. And also with justice, like we can give one 6 and the other 4. No, they must have the same number of toys. So it's 10 divided 2. 10 toys will be divided among 2 babies. So each one will get 5 toys. Okay, let's say this time we have only 9 toys and the same 2 babies. So it's 9 divided 2. So we will give every one of them 4. So this one have 4 and this one have 4. But we have this one, so the remainder is 1. Look, we can break it into 2 halves and each one of them will get half a toy, so it's 4.5. But it won't be, it won't be good for them. So the result here will be 4, each one got 4 toys, and the remainder is 1. Okay. For long numbers, it's preferable to use long division. It will work in every case, but there is other methods. I will show them to you at the end. Okay, so let's say we have 27 and you want to divide it by 5. So you'll make our umbrella here and we will put the 27 under the umbrella and the 5 will wait outside. Okay, the number before the divide sign will be under the umbrella and the 5 will wait outside. Okay, and we will do 3 steps and repeat them. The first is divide, multiply, subtract, then repeat. Okay, so 5, 2 divide 5. It can't be, because 5 is greater than 2. So we'll put the 0 here, then we will go to the next digit. But not like 7, no, it's 27. We'll go like 27. Okay, 27 divide 5, or how many 5s are in the 27? So it's 5, 10, 15 to 25. So there is 5s in the 25. After the 25 it's 30, so it's greater than 27. So you say it's 5 because there is 5 5s in the 27. Okay, so then we make the division here, then multiply. 5 multiply 5. So it's 5 multiply 5, it's 25. Then the last step here, subtract. We'll subtract them. The result is 2. Okay. Now 2 here is smaller than 5, then we can go again with these steps. So here 27 divide 5, the result is 5. This 5. Okay, and the remainder is 2. Okay, let's say we have 72 divide 3. So 72 will be here and the 3 will be here. And again, we will start. How many 3's are in the 7? Okay, 3, 6, 2 3's are in the 7. So you write 2. Then we will go to the multiplication. 2 times 3, and 2 times 3 is 6, and subtract them. 7 minus 6. The result will be 1. Then take these 2. Now it's 12. Okay, how many 3 are inside 12? It's 4. So you multiply 4 by 3. It's 4 times 3. It's 12. Then subtract them again. Then the result will be 0. Okay, So 72 divided 3 equal 24, and the remainder is 0. Okay, 941 divide 2, so the 2 is outside and the 941 is under the umbrella. So let's divide them. How many 2 is inside the 9? There are 4 2's, then 2 times 4, 4 times 2, then it's 8, then subtract them. That's 1. Now get the 4 down, so it's 14. Now how many 2 is inside 14? There are 7. Then multiply them. 7 times 2, it's 14. Then subtract them. Then the result is 0. Then don't forget the 1. Get it down there. Okay. Now what's different here that the 1 came from here. It's not the result of the subtraction. So you'll have to go with the same steps again. We'll try to divide it. Of course, 2 is greater than 1, then this can't happen, so we'll put 0 here. Okay, a lot of you may be confused here. Why didn't we do it in the last one? Because the last one was a result of subtraction. We didn't get it from here. Okay, so the result of the division, 941 divided 2, is 470, and the remainder is 1. Okay, now we have 162 divide 3. Then 3, we will see here how many 3 is inside the 1. Can't be, because 3 is greater than 1. Then you'll put 0 here. Then we will go to the 16 now. 16. How many 3 is inside the 16? It's 5, because 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, then we multiply the 5 by 3. It's 15. Now subtract them. 1, then get the 2 down. Now we'll ask ourselves, how many 3 is inside the 12? It's 4, or 12 divided 3 is 4. Then we multiply them. 4 times 3, it's 12. Then you will subtract them. 12 minus 12 is 0. So the result of the division will be 54, and the remainder is 0. Okay, now we have 567 divide 8. So we'll ask ourselves first, 5 divide 8 can be? No, because 8 is greater than 5, so 0 is here. Then 56 divide 8, or how many 8 is inside 56? It's 7. Then 7 multiply 8, 56, then subtract them. So they are zeros. Then we will get the 7 here. Okay, we got the 7 from up there, so we must try to divide it by 8. Can't, because 8 is greater than 7. Then we'll have to put 0 here. So the result of the division is 70, and the remainder is 7. Okay, now it's time for method 2. Make the denominator 1 or its multiple, or like, let's say here we have 1 divide 2, so we have to multiply them both by 5 to make these two 10. Or 1 divide 2 here, 5 over 10, or 5 divide 10, so it's 0.5. Okay, let's go to the next one. We have 3 divide 4. We multiplied them both by 25 to turn this 4 to 100, so it will be 75 over 100, or 75 divide 100, so it's 0.75. Okay, 2 divide 5. We have to multiply them by 2 to turn this 5 to 10, so it's 4 over 10. It's 0.4. You see, this method is easier than the last one, but it will work only in some cases and some numbers, not all the numbers. Okay, let's now this part is just for fun. The session ended.